music are important parts of our lives. Many people enjoy watching movies and listening to music in their free time. Both can make us happy, relaxed, or even inspired. Going to the cinema is a special experience. You can watch a film on a big screen with clear sound and bright colors. The dark room and comfortable seats make it easy to focus on the story. Many people like to watch new films as soon as they come out. There are many types of films. Some people enjoy action movies with exciting scenes and fast music. Others prefer romantic films with beautiful love stories. There are also comedies that make people laugh and dramas that tell serious stories. Watching a movie is not only entertainment, it can also teach us about different cultures and ways of life. Foreign films are a good way to hear other languages and see new places. Music is also a big part of our daily life. We listen to music at home, in the car, and even while walking in the street. It can change our mood and give us energy. There are many kinds of music. Pop music is popular with young people because it is fun and easy to dance to. Classical music is calm and relaxing. Rock music is strong and full of energy. Many films use music to make the story better. In a scary scene, the music can be slow and dark. In a happy scene, the music is fast and bright. This makes the audience feel the emotions of the story. Some people enjoy playing music as well as listening to it. Learning an instrument, like the guitar or piano, takes time and practice, but it is very rewarding. Cinema and music often come together in musicals. In these films, the characters sing and dance as part of the story. Musicals can be colorful, exciting, and full of energy. In the end, both cinema and music connect people. They bring joy, help us share feelings, and create memories that last a long time. Some people like to watch movies and listen to music alone, while others enjoy doing it with friends or family. Sharing the experience can make it more fun. When we talk about our favorite films or songs, we can learn more about each other's tastes and personalities. Film festivals are great events where people can watch many movies from different countries. Music festivals are also exciting because you can listen to live performances from many artists. Technology has made it easier to enjoy cinema and music. Now we can watch movies online and listen to music on our phones anywhere we go. Even so, going to the cinema or a live concert is still special because it gives us real emotions and memories. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all the new updates.